Tired of choppy visuals and lag ruining your ancient Egyptian adventures in Assassin's Creed Origins on GeForce NOW? This tutorial is your ultimate guide to maximizing performance and achieving the best possible settings for a smooth and immersive experience. Let's dive in. First, launch Assassin's Creed Origins within GeForce NOW. Once the game starts loading, get ready to adjust those settings. Once you are in the game's main menu, go to the Options menu. This is where all the magic happens from the main menu. Look for the Options option. Now, select Graphics or Video Settings. This is where we will optimize the visual details. Start with Resolution. While tempting, don't max this out. The ideal is to stick with what your display recommends. If you're unsure, aim for the maximum size available and drop down by 1 to see the difference in performance quality until you make the compromise. Next, optimize texture details. Start with High or Medium and adjust based on performance. This one significantly impacts visuals. Experiment with performance. If it drops, lower this setting first. Now, let's tweak some other critical options. Anti-aliasing smooths edges. Try Medium or High. Adjust shadows to balance visual appeal and frame rate, choosing between Medium and Low. Set environment details from the list to Medium or High, and then assess your game's overall performance. Finally, test your settings. Launch a gameplay session and observe if your frame rate is low or choppy. You know it's time to make adjustments. Lower the resource-intensive settings like textures, shadows, and details first. By following these steps, you will be able to optimize the game settings for your PC, enabling the best performance and enjoy the best gaming experience while playing Assassin's Creed Origins on Nvidia Geforce NOW. Happy gaming! #GeForce NOW #AC Origins.